Getting right into it, strategy number one, you want to do some ad research, some competitor research, and see what your competitors are doing on YouTube. You can actually use different tools to do this. One of them that is the most recent tool that we've been using is called the Video Ad Vault by TubeSift. You can see my screen here. They have videoadvault.com. You can get there and basically see that it's a YouTube ad spy tool, the largest searchable collection of YouTube ads and landing pages available according to them. And their pricing it's not that bad. It's $97 a month, not the cheapest from a software standpoint or from a tool standpoint, but you do have access to many of the features, which include seeing the video ads that other advertisers are using, right, or that are promoting online. You can even see the URLs, the domain names that they're using, and landing pages. You can see the amount of views that they have. You know, there are many ways that you can actually leverage this to help improve your ad creation process, not necessarily to copy or emulate exactly, the same, but to get inspirational ideas and see what they're doing, right? Strategy number two, test faster and get data faster. Spend more, get data faster, right? So it's that logic of, if I'm spending $500 a day, I'm going to find out pretty quickly what's going to be working on the account and what's not, right? As opposed to somebody that's spending $50 a day, right? It's going to be tough because those $50 are not going to go a long way of testing, audiences, testing other ads. If you have 10 ads that you want to test, you're not going to have enough data, right? So if you have the stomach for it and you can do at least $300 a day, that's where I would start in terms of testing. Allocation of budgets and split testing is important. You want to identify how many tests do you want to do. First of all, ask yourself, how many tests do I want to do? Do I want to test my funnel and I want to test my ads? I want to test my audiences. We all want that, right? We want to come up with the best combination possible. But if you have a limited budget, you could only do so much, right? So if you say, you know what, I can do $200 a day. Okay, great. So with $200 a day, then I would create 4 campaigns at $50 a day, right? And then as long as I have the demographic down in the customer avatar, everything is translated over into the targeting options on Google, right? From your customer avatar that you've created before, then boom, now we have to test some ads. Maybe do 2 ads, 1 campaign, 1 audience, and 2 ads. And then you just basically multiply that by 4 campaigns. So now you have, again, 4 campaigns at $50 a day, that's $200 a day right there. And that can give you enough data to say, all right, well, let's say after 72 hours, 3 days, you're able to see what's working for you and what's not, right? And you basically kill the campaigns that are not, or the ads from the ad level. If you're optimizing, which we strongly encourage, especially if you have more than 1 ad in a campaign, then go to the ad level and see what's working and what's not. Just kill the ones that are not working and leave on the ones that are, and create other targeting iterations from that specific campaign that shows potential. Strategy number 3, customer avatar and targeting 101. If you don't have a customer avatar penciled out, it's very likely that you're missing the targeting on your media buying efforts. If you have it written down and you know exactly who that ideal customer is, then congratulations, you are able to move on to testing other criteria. In this case, you know exactly who they are. And a lot of people use the different customer templates. There's definitely free and paid templates, but for this particular concept of the customer avatar, it's very simple, right? You want to name your avatar, you want to find a picture of them, the demographics, right? Is the age, sex, education level, marital status, language, as well as what their goals are, their pain points, challenges. These are different things that you can find online, and you want to write all these down, right, for your specific offer. Once you've tested, to a certain point, you're going to have enough data where you're going to review what is your ideal demographic that you want to test out. It may be that you went broad and now you excluded from 18 to 34 because you see that people that are over 35, that's your sweet spot. And now you have more ammo to feed the algorithm. You want to say, okay, my future campaigns, I'm going to make sure that these age groups are excluded, so Google only focuses on the ones that I'm targeting. It's definitely powerful because you're able to create your messaging around who you're actually targeting. Life events is one of the specific targeting options that you can use, and I'm going to show you here on my screen. So let's just dive right in. We want to go to audiences. So I'm using the Google Ads editor. When we're in audiences, what we want to do, go to audience segment. Let's go here. So here you're going to have the different options. These are very powerful targeting options that you can do, and you can create your messaging or cater that video ad around people that are matching some of these criteria, right? It's usually very, very accurate. Strategy number 4, last but not least, get creative with your creative. All right, what you want to do is you want to script good video ads, right? Spend time really understanding the pain points. Look at your customer avatar. What hooks do you feel will work best with that specific person that you're trying to target? If you're not sure what to write about or how to actually come up with persuasive scripts for converting your customers, then hire somebody that's really dedicated to this, right? And this person, you can, with your instruction, with your customer avatar, can create an ad specifically for that avatar, because it may very well be you have multiple avatars. That's very normal. Some recommendations that we can give you is look up Billo. Billo is user-generated content. You can hire different influencers, different people to basically review your product and service, or create little testimonial videos that you can use to test. And that works very well, right? But keep this in mind. If there's anything they want to learn from this, strategy number 4 is your YouTube ad script is very important. Your messaging is clearly one of the key factors that can either make or break your campaign. So think about that the next time you're creating your video ad. Is your messaging congruent with the customer avatar that you are trying to target with your YouTube ad? Or do you have to change different things around, right? And that comes with understanding your market, your audience, right? Knowing what their pain points are. There's a lot of businesses out there that do a great job at serving their customers and knowing them very closely and understanding what their biggest fear is, what their pain point is, their challenges, what their desires are, right? And they create ads around that. And that's good advertising. And that's personalized advertising that can and will get you the results you need if you do it right. Guys, that's all we have time for today. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comment below, turn on the notifications to get notified when we drop some more YouTube ad knowledge. And if you want more in-depth training, then there's a link below so you can sign up for our YouTube ads media buying course and training program. We also have a free YouTube ad buyers group. So if you're still not ready to pull the trigger yet, go to YouTube ad buyers group. It's free to join. All you got to do is answer a couple questions and you're in. And then from there, hey, if you like the value, if you like the knowledge that we're providing you with and gearing you up with for success, then maybe you can take that extra step and get mentored by us and become one of our students. Make revenue basically with YouTube ads. We have a couple of videos here on the left side that you can continue watching to learn more from us. Guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.